This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu on an emulator. Emulation lets you enjoy your favorite console titles on platforms like your personal computer. First, you'll need to understand the basic components involved, including the emulator software itself and the game file. It's crucial to ensure your system has sufficient processing power and memory, typically at least 8 GB of RAM, for a smooth experience. A reliable internet connection is also helpful for initial setup. Next, you'll choose your emulator and game file. For Nintendo Switch titles like Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu, popular choices include Yuzu and Ryujinx. Always download the emulator software directly from its official developer website to avoid malicious versions. You will also need the game's ROM file. After acquiring your ROM, it is wise to verify its integrity using a checksum tool to ensure it is not corrupted and will run correctly within the emulator. Now let's set up your chosen emulator. Begin by installing the software on your computer. Once installed, open the emulator and navigate to its settings. Here, you can configure graphics options, such as resolution scaling, and map your preferred controls, perhaps to a compatible gamepad for an authentic feel. Finally, load your Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu ROM file through the emulator's menu, and you should be ready to start your adventure. To ensure the best experience, regularly update your emulator software to benefit from performance enhancements and bug fixes. Using a dedicated controller, such as a Pro controller or Xbox controller, can significantly improve gameplay immersion. If you encounter any issues, consult the emulator's official documentation or community forums. Many common problems have readily available solutions. Also, keep your graphics drivers updated for optimal performance and stability during your Pokémon journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.